Hello everyone. So today let's talk about what to do if you need to defrost your entire fridge. This includes your fridge compartment, which is this one, and also your freezer. So since I am currently facing this problem, I can just go ahead and show you what the problem looks like. Let's go ahead and open the freezer. So you see all this excess ice over here, there. So obviously this just keeps on increasing and it impacts the storage space. It also melts in case you turn the fridge off or if you have any kind of power outage, which is a problem in itself. Look over here also. You can see all that excess ice just forming up here too. And let's go ahead and look at the fridge now. Similar thing here, you can see at the back all the ice that's just starting to form. Okay, so in order to find a solution for this, you basically turn off your fridge and then open both of these doors all the way fully. Ideally, take out all the stuff so you can clean properly. And you're gonna wait until this ice starts to melt, and it will take a while, so like about it could take like multiple hours. And then finally, when the ice is softer, you can take like a tool and a hammer and then just try to uh, hit this ice over and over again so that and it'll be easier because it'll be much softer now. If you try to do it now, it'll be extremely difficult and you might end up damaging the fridge also. So that is one way you can defrost the entire refrigerator. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.